Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been storm. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. I'm doing this ball cap because I'm about to install a wig. I did not do this part on camera because I have previous videos showing you guys how I do my ball caps. The wig I'm gonna be installing today was sent to me from BestHairBuy. I will link all their information in the description box per usual. So with my wig, you guys, this is what they sent me. I think this is so nice and this is highly appreciated because they did not have to do that. I also got a stocking cap and this is appreciated also because I use them with most of my wigs. They also sent me this bag right here to store my wig in when I'm ready to take it off. So this is the wig I'm gonna be installing today. It is some flat twists in the front and then some regular twists in the back. I think this is really beautiful, so I can't wait to put it on and see what it looks like. So far it feels nice and the color is really nice for fall. So yeah, I'm loving that. Before I install the wig, I'm gonna add some foundation to the stocking cap so my root could look more natural. Now with some alcohol, I'm cleaning up around the edges so my wig will have a clean base to lay on. Now I'm gonna put it on and get it ready to install. I got it sitting where I want it, so now I'm gonna use this got to be glued free spray to hold it in place. For certain wigs, I like to use this because it's so much easier than the glue and it dries much faster. I went ahead and sprayed some on the other side also, and now I'm just drying it. And now I'm gonna do the same thing for the front. Now I'm cutting the lace off of it and I'm doing it in little sections because I swear I really think I could get away with wearing this wig without gluing it on because of how tight it was around my edges. Now I'm cutting these little babies to make them much shorter so I could gel them down. To fix my fake edges today, I'm going to be using this got to be glued invisible styling gel. Now I'm going to tie them down and leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes so it could be fully dry. By the way, just so you guys know, I went ahead and dipped the ends in hot water. I don't know if it was necessary, but I felt good doing it, so I did that. And this is what it looks like from the back, you guys. It looks so full, it's flowing really nice. And the color is really beautiful. And then from the front, this is what it looks like. I am absolutely amazed with how good it turns out. I was not expecting this. I know you guys are probably wondering if it's heavy or not, and the answer is no. It is not heavy at all. It is so lightweighted. I am actually surprised myself because I was thinking it's gonna be heavy. All the information for this unit will be in the description box below. I am absolutely in love with this hair, and I know you guys will too, because what's better than having a full head of braided hair and not having to sit for like 6 to 12 hours to get it done. Like, that's amazing. I want to say a big thank you to BestHairBuy for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous hair. I am so in love with it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. A big thank you to all you beautiful queens for the continued support to my channel. I want you guys to know that I love and appreciate every single one of you very much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.